Good morning, girls. I hope you all are fine after a week. Today is 8th lecture of our subject, Computer Science 5, Developing Application in VB. In previous lectures, we have taken Introduction to Visual Basic, theoretically as well as practically. We have also gone through different components of VB IDE as well as we have used some of the controls of Visual Basic. Controls are very useful in designing a form. We have seen label control and form control. We have also set some of the properties of form control and label control. Then in the last lecture, I have given you introduction to events. Event is a way in which you can write code, you can write program in Visual Basic. In fact, your Visual Basic program is made up of events only. It is a collection of events. In previous lecture, we had written only one event, that was form event. Now today, I shall write more than one event on a single form. There will be a form on which we shall take some of the controls and then we shall write some events. Before starting our demo lecture, let us have a look on today's thought. Today's thought is, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Rise up and attack the day with enthusiasm. मतलब કે કંઈ પણ નવું ચાલુ કરવું હોય તો આપણે મહાન હોવાની જરૂર નથી. જન્મથી જ કોઈ વ્યક્તિ મહાન હોતી નથી. એટલે આપણે પહેલાં બહુ મહાન ને મોટી વ્યક્તિ હોય અને કંઈક સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ એવું નથી. પણ જો કંઈક બનવું હોય, કંઈક સારું કરવું હોય તો વી હેવ ટુ સ્ટાર્ટ ફ્રોમ સમવેર. ક્યાંકથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરવું પડશે. કોઈક જગ્યાએથી કે લાસ્ટ 7 લેક્ચર્સ ન જોયા હોય આપણે તો ડાયરેક્ટ 8મો લેક્ચર જોઈને આપણે મહાન નથી થઈ જતા, બધું આવડી નથી જતું. વી હેવ ટુ સ્ટાર્ટ ફ્રોમ ધ સ્ટ્રેચ. પાયાથી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરવું પડશે કે ફર્સ્ટ લેક્ચર આપણે જોઈએ, પછી સેકન્ડ જોઈએ. નો ડાઉટ ઇટ વિલ ટેક ટાઈમ. ધ પ્રોગ્રેસ વિલ બી સ્લો, ગ્રેજ્યુઅલ પ્રોસેસ હશે. પણ ડોન્ટ વરી, ધીરે ધીરે કોઈ પણ કામ, ગમે તેટલું મોટું કામ લ્યો, કોઈ પણ આપણે પર્વત ચડવાનો છે, સપોઝ ગિરનાર ચડવા જવું છે તો ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ તો લેવું જ પડે. ડાયરેક્ટ તમે 10 સ્ટેપ કે 10,000 સ્ટેપ ઉપર પહોંચી નથી જતા. એટલે યુ હેવ ટુ સ્ટાર્ટ સમવેર. ક્યાંક સ્ટાર્ટ કરશો તો આગળ વધશો, પણ જો સ્ટાર્ટ જ નહીં કરો તો આગળ વધવાના કોઈ ચાન્સીસ જ નથી. તો એકને એક જગ્યાએ બેઠા રહેશો અને બેઠા બેઠા કોઈ માણસ મહાન બની શકતું નથી. સો રાઇઝ અપ એન્ડ અટેક ધ ડે વિથ એન્થુઝિયાઝમ. પૂરેપૂરા ઉત્સાહથી. એકદમ જ આપણે કેમ ક્લાસમાં બધા એકદમ ઉત્સાહમાં જ હંમેશા હોઈએ છીએ, સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ એઝ વેલ એઝ ટીચર્સ. સેમ વે એકદમ ઉત્સાહથી જ ઉઠવાનું જ્યારે ઉઠીએ ત્યારે, અને આજના દિવસના આપણા જે કંઈ પણ કામ હોય એ બધા પૂરા ઉત્સાહથી કરવાના. ફાઇન. નાઉ લેટ અસ ઓપન વિઝ્યુઅલ બેઝિક. Till we have not saved anything, today I shall teach you how to save something in Visual Basic. So I am opening new exe, standard exe. I am maximizing the font. This is the design view of a form where we can design a form, and this is code window where we shall write some code. કંઈક ઇવેન્ટ લખવી હોય તો આપણે અહીંયા લખશું. Okay. Now in previous lectures we have written event on form click. Let us revise. Okay. If you click anywhere on the form, double click करो અહીંથી, you will get the code window. And this is the perfect way. This is the only right way to write an event. આપણે જાતે અહીંયા કોડ વિન્ડો ખોલી, સપોઝ આઈ એમ હિયર, કોડ વિન્ડો ખોલો અને અહીંયા ઇફ ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ રિટન તો વી આર નોટ સપોઝ ટુ ટાઈપ. અહીંયા લખવાનું જાતે નથી. વી આર નોટ ગોઈંગ ટુ રાઇટ હિયર. ઓકે, આપણે નથી લખવાનું. કમ્પ્યુટર જે છે વીબી ઇટસેલ્ફ, વેનેવર યુ ટેક એની એક્શન, તમે અહીંયા ફોર્મ ઉપરથી, આજે આપણે બીજા કંટ્રોલ પણ યુઝ કરશું, એટલે આઈ શેલ શો યુ કે જ્યારે અહીંથી તમે કરો છો કંઈ પણ, એટ દેટ ટાઈમ ઓટોમેટિકલી ઇવેન્ટ વિલ બી રિટર્ન. ઇવેન્ટ હંમેશા એની જાતે જ લખવા દેજો. વી આર નોટ ગોઈંગ ટુ ટાઈપ. લુક, I have double clicked on the form and look, private sub form underscore load. So the name of the event is load and it is written on which control? Form. Guys, just like properties, each control is having different events. How can I know? Look, here form is written and here the list of events are written. We don't need to remember anything. The list is given. You just have to select. Suppose I want to write, for example, mouse down event on form control. આવશે આપણે આગળ જતા mouse down event. If you want to write this event, okay, તો ready-made select કરી લ્યો. Don't write anything. Okay, right now I am removing this because I don't need. I need click event. Which event? Click event. First of all, select form control from here and select click event. કઈ event મને જોઈએ છીએ? Click event. Done. If I am not writing anything inside this, then there is no issue. આ કંઈ આપણને નડશે નહીં કોઈ જગ્યાએ form load. Then also, if you don't like it, remove this because I want to write click event of form control. I am teaching you completely practically. Girls, theory હજી આપણે આમાં કંઈ ભણતા જ નથી અને જરૂર પણ નથી. ટિલ એક્ઝામ હજી હમણાં કંઈ ઓનલાઈન સેશન્સમાં આઈ ડોન્ટ થિંક કે એટલીસ્ટ ફોર 1 month વી રિક્વાયર ટુ લર્ન એની ટાઈપ ઓફ થિયોરી. પ્રેક્ટિકલ છે how to write code and how to prepare very good form in Visual Basic. So form click event. In the form click event, I am typing print. Previously we had printed hello, good morning. Suppose today I am printing your name and your address. I want to print that. So suppose I am printing Purvi Kubavat. Then print address. You can write your name. You can write Nirali, you can write Krupali, Pooja, Shivani, Shruti, whatever you want to write, you can write. Print address. So I am printing. So it is a MVM College of Commerce, Management and IT. This is your address. Next line, okay, print statement will automatically print on the next line. Print opposite fire brigade. Again print statement. Nirmala Convent Road, Rajkot. Done. So I want to print this name and address on my form. Yes girls, I can also use label control for that. So our next program will be that print your name and address on the form by using label control. The definition of this program is that print your name and address on a form by using print statement in a big font. In big font. કારણ કે ફોન્ટ મેટર્સ હિયર. હમણાં હું ટાઈપ કરીશ, પ્રિન્ટ કરીશ તો બહુ નાના ફોન્ટ આવશે જો મેં સેટ નહીં કર્યા હોય તો. ઓકે, અહીંયા લુક, નથિંગ ઇઝ ધેર, ફોર્મ ઇઝ બ્લેન્ક. ઓકે, ફોર્મ ઇઝ બ્લેન્ક. તમને એમ થશે કે મેડમ પ્રિન્ટ ક્યાં થશે? પ્રિન્ટ થશે if we take the action. Look girls, I repeat, VB is based on events, and events are fired only if actions are taken. If you take the action, then and then only event will be fired. For that you should know which event you have written. I know here that I have written form click event. હવે એટલી તો ખબર પડે, ઇંગ્લિશ લાઇક લેંગ્વેજ છે કે ફોર્મ ક્લિક. સો ધીસ ઇવેન્ટ વિલ બી ફાયર્ડ if I click on form at runtime. When I run the form and if I click on the form, then only this event will be fired. Close. Now I have made one mistake. Actually it is not mistake, but it is my practice that every time when I create a new form, I set the last property, Windows state property to maximized. એટલે ફોર્મ ડાયરેક્ટ ચાલુ થાય, રન થાય ત્યારે મોટું જ આવે એની જાતે. આવ્યું ને? ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ માય પ્રેક્ટિસ અને આ આપણે કન્ટિન્યુ કરશું થ્રુ આઉટ ધ યર. ઇટ ઇઝ અ ગુડ પ્રેક્ટિસ. આપણે ખોટી ખરાબ પ્રેક્ટિસ તો કંઈ કરતા નથી. યુ નો ઇટ વેરી વેલ. હવે તો 3 વર્ષ થઈ ગયા, બરાબર? 3rd યર છે ને? ફાઇન. Now let me change the font size of form. Which control? We have only one control, form control. તો અહીંયા લખેલું છે form 1 form, and I want to change the font size. So the font in which the output will be printed through print statement will be in bigger size, as well as suppose you want to change the font name also. Okay, I have changed it. Now if I run this program, then look, until and unless I click anywhere on the form, the event will not be fired. Event જો fire કરવી હશે, if you want કે name and address should be printed on the form, then you have to click somewhere. You have to take action. Remember, I have repeated so many times. I repeat it. You have to take action. જ્યાં સુધી સ્કૂટરમાં કિક મારતા નથી કે સ્ટાર્ટ બટન દબાવતા નથી, ત્યાં સુધી સ્કૂટર ચાલુ થતું નથી. In the same way, click here and you will get the output. Got it? ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? Fine. Now I want to change the color of my font. Then what you have to do? In the form control itself, print statement ખાલી print કરવા માટે છે. There is no other option with print statement. You have to do it from here. You have to set only properties. So I am changing 4 color property of form. Which property? 4 color property. Guys, right now I am teaching you all the properties randomly. જેમ જરૂર પડે એમ શીખવાડતી જાઉં છું. After that, book માંથી one by one all the properties. Tomorrow I shall share the syllabus with you, and then syllabus wise we shall learn one by one all the properties. Okay, and at the end of every lecture I shall inform you that today we have used these many properties. Okay, 4 color palette. Say for example dark blue color. I want dark blue color. Run this. Click anywhere. Look, the name and address have been printed in blue color. Got it? Likewise you can take any color. ગમે તે લઈ શકો છો. Close it. So I hope now you know how to write event, and we have written the simplest one. For next 15 days we shall write only click event. इस सिवाय एक पण नहीं लखिए. There are lots of events and they are in your syllabus, but we shall work with click event only. Once you should be very much familiar with events. પછી આપણે ભણશું. So from click event we have written. If you want to write, you can write. I am writing the definition. You can pause the video and write the program as well as definition. And I insist you to write it, because whenever you come to college, lab તો કરવાની જ છે. This time practical is external. Okay, એટલે it is better you write it down. I shall not repeat this in classroom. So you have to write it down and just write down the code. જર્નલ બનાવવાની જરૂર નથી. I shall guide you. જર્નલ બનાવવાની આવશે ત્યારે. અત્યારે just write the code. તો I am writing the prepare a form to print your name and address if the user clicks on form. એટલે ફોર્મ ઉપર ક્લિક કરે ત્યારે you have to print name and address. The output should be displayed in blue color and big font. Done. This is the definition of the form of the program. Okay, errors are coming because VB cannot understand this. That is why it is generating error. You know, okay, definition is not part of program. I have just written it so that you can understand why I have prepared this program. This is the definition and this is the code. If you want to write, you can write. Print statement. We have learnt only print statement, nothing else. Print Purvi Kubawat, that is the name of the student. Print MVM College of Commerce Management and IT. Print opposite Fire Brigade. Print Nirmala Convent Road. Print Rajkot. It is not compulsory to use print statement in your form. In every program we are not going to use print statement, because this is not like C and Fox Pro. Okay, only through commands you can get output. We have so many controls. From the next program we shall use controls to print something on the form. We can do that. Okay, done. Now let me teach you one thing about print statement. Very simple. એમાં કંઈ ખાસ છે નહીં. પણ as we have started learning print statement, તો એનું એક છે કે if you want to print on the same line, if you want to print on the same line, okay, then there is semicolon. You can write semicolon and then print statement will print on the same line. Suppose Purvi Kubawat and I want to print BCom semester 5. I want to print like this. But any બાજુમાં જ, નીચે નહીં. By default print statement will print on the next line. But if you have written semicolon after the print statement, then the next print statement will print on the same line. Simple છે, nothing new. Okay, again click here. Look, Purvi Kubawat BCom semester 5. Sometimes it is required to print on the same line, so it is useful. Otherwise fine. You just should know, okay, semicolon is useful to do this. Now I am removing this. Okay, I have not saved my form and I have already removed. Let me try. થઈ ગયું પાછું. Okay girls, now let us save this form. This was my first practical program. અત્યાર સુધી just આપણે ખાલી પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા હતા. I have also given you time to write the code. So it is our first practical program. Now I am saving this. I will save this form. Till today we have not saved anything. So girls, I repeat that there is form and project. Two things are there. Under one project there will be more than one forms. એકથી વધારે form હશે. Right now we have only one form under project 1. Now let us save this. આપણે આને સેવ કરીએ and we shall give meaningful names. And then to write another program we shall add one more form to the same project. First of all let us save this. I am saving this. Now it is asking me where to save. So if you do not specify any location, folder તમે specify નથી કરતા, તો it will save the forms and projects in VB's default folder. But I don't want to do that. I want to save in my folder. So there is folder named as Bina in H drive. In H drive there is Bina folder. 1 minute. Okay, Bina folder છે. I want to create one more folder. VB નામનું એક એમાં બનાવી નાખું છું. VB programs, VB forms. I want to save this in VB forms. So here the name of the form is form 1. મારે એ નામ નથી રાખવું. I want કે પ્રિન્ટ કર્યું છે આપણે નેમ એન્ડ એડ્રેસ. તો PRT_NMADD print name address. Okay, કારણ કે પ્રિન્ટ સ્ટેટમેન્ટથી કર્યું છે. In the next form we shall use label control. તો હું એવું નામ રાખીશ, save. No items match your search કારણ કે there is nothing we have saved in this folder. Now I am saving this. But as I have saved the form, it is asking me something else. It is asking me save project as. Do you want to save this project? Project will be saved first. Under that there will be forms. So the name of the project can be project 1. ઈ રાખો તો પણ there is no issue. તમે ઈ રાખી શકો છો project 1. અહીંયા હું એનું નામ રાખીશ BCom SEM 5. BCom SEM 5. So in SEM 5 we shall create so many forms. Okay, અને ઈ આપણે આની અંડરમાં કરશું. If you want to create one more project you can create. અત્યારે હું એક જ રાખું છું BCom SEM 5 and save. No, look, હવે અહીંયા જુઓ તમે પ્રોજેક્ટ એક્સપ્લોરર બારમાં જુઓ પ્રોજેક્ટ 1 છે એની સેવ થઈ ગયું છે BCom SEM 5.vbp VB Visual Basic Project અને ફોર્મ સેવ થઈ ગયું છે PRTNM address _add.frm. The form file is saved as .frm extension and project file is saved as .vbp extension. Got it? Girls, today first time we have saved our form. program કરતા હતા, હવે program નહીં બોલીએ. We have saved our form under one project. The name of the project is BCom SEM 5 and name of the form is PRTNMADD. This is our first form and first project. Fine. Again I shall place the project explorer bar here. Okay. Now I want to do something else. હવે મને I want to print the same thing, name and address, but not by using print statement. I want to use label control to do this. You will see the difference. There are so many properties available with label control. So you can make the output more beautiful. Fine. And yes, event હજી આપણે બીજી એકે નથી લખતા. We shall write firm click event only. In the next lecture I shall teach you to write events on label, text box and command buttons, but in this lecture we are writing only one event, form click. So the event will be fired if the form is clicked. In fact અહીંયા આપણને જરૂર પડશે પણ નહીં. Let us see. પણ તો એ we shall write label, take label control. Now we have options that you can take only one label control and you can write everything in the same control. Then you can wrap the text. And second option is that you can take more than one labels. આપણે એવું કરીએ, let us take more than one labels. તો તમને વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે, મજા આવશે અને પ્રેક્ટિસ થશે. એટલે I have taken one label for name. I shall set its caption. Caption શેના માટે છે? If you remember, હવે ન હોય યાદ હોય તો પણ આજથી યાદ રાખજો કે caption is to change the contents of the label. લેબલમાં જે પ્રિન્ટ થશે એ ચેન્જ કરવું હોય તો we need caption property. So I am changing the caption. I am writing other name. તમારા ક્લાસના નામ મને એમ તો યાદ છે. કૃપાલી સિદ્ધપુરા. ઓકે, સિદ્ધપુરા કૃપાલી. Then label, one more label where I shall write some other address. Say for example 10 સૌરાષ્ટ્ર કલા કેન્દ્ર. Again I shall take one more label. I can do this by taking only one label, but I am just using more than one labels so that you can practice labels. Again અહીંયા આપણે રાખશું dots of it, ring road, and one more label for city. You can take Rajkot. Okay, so these different labels, 4 labels are there and they are named as label 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this, guys. Look at properties window. Label 1, the name is label 1. Label 2's name is label 2. Label 3's name is label 3 and labels 4 is label 4. 4 labels we have taken. Now if you, I have not added one form. I needed to add a different form. I have done this on the same form. Let us select them. No problem. ચલો આપણે આ સેમમાં કરીએ. Run this. You will see that Krupali Sitpura 10 Suraj Kala Kendra, dots of wood, ring road, Rajkot. Done. Printed. Now the benefit over print statement, right? Label control no benefit શું છે કે you can change color, background color, alignment, everything of individual label. Like I want કે Krupali Sitpura should be printed in different color, then this is in different color. આપણે એવું કરીએ alternate color same રાખીએ. Or maybe font. If you want to change the font, you can change from here. Select font. Okay. If you wish કે name should be in bigger font, તો અહીંયા I am selecting 28. Okay. and it is suppose 28 Vardhana. Okay, Vardhana. Save this. 28 and Vardhana. Save this. So the size is changed. નામ થોડુંક મોટું આવશે, બાકી બધું થોડું પ્રિન્ટ સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ પોસિબલ. એમાં ઓલ ફોન્ટ્સ વિલ બી સેમ. અહીંયા ઇટ ઇઝ પોસિબલ. સો આઈ ઓલ્સો વોન્ટ ટુ ચેન્જ ધ ફોર કલર, ફોર દેટ ઇઝ ફોન્ટ કલર ઓફ ધ નેમ. નામ જે છે એનો ફોન્ટ કલર આપણે રાખશું સપોઝ મેજેન્ટા. મેજેન્ટા તમારી સ્લાઇડ્સમાં હોય છે. લેટ અસ ટેક અનધર કલર, સપોઝ ડાર્ક ગ્રીન. ઓકે, અને ગ્રીન રેડનું કોમ્બિનેશન રાખીએ, ગ્રીન રેડ. It is in red. Again this is in green, dark green, and I think dark green, and this will be in again red. So the combination of green red, it is possible. Likewise girls, we can also change background color of any label. If you wish to change background color of all labels, you can do it. Let us run this. So it is displaying in this way. I am closing this. Okay, I want to change the background color of Rajkot only. બાકી બધા એમાં મારે બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ નથી જોતું. I want that Rajkot should have some background. So change the back color. Select back color property and change the background color of Rajkot to suppose this light yellow. Done. Run this form. Look. Are you getting? Same way you can change background color of any of the labels. Yeah. But if you have taken only one label, then you have no choice. Then the back color will be same, font color will be same, font size will also be same. There will be no change. Got it? It was a label. So the definition of this form, actually it should be a different form. આ એક બીજું ફોર્મ મારે બનાવવાનું હતું. તો when I save this, I shall give it another name. I shall save it with another name. Let us do something like that. Or let me copy this. No problem. Okay, write down the definition. Prepare a form to print your name and address on the form by using a label control. By using label control. Now guys, we are not specifying this in definition that you should use this color and this font or whatever, because this is your choice. I am just teaching you how to use this property. I am not teaching you this color you have to take, this font size you have to take, you have to place this here, you have to change this background color to this city. It is your choice, completely your choice. You can do it. But you should just know that if I want to do this, then which property I need to use. Remember girls, only properties are useful in practical exam. You should know if I want to do this, then which property I need to use. એટલે જો મારે આ જે છે વાઇવામાં if it is asked કે I want to change the background of this, then you should know the property is back color property. This is as an example. But likewise, there are lots of properties. So you need to remember properties. You can view this from here. અહીંયા દેખાય જ છે તમને સ્ક્રીન ઉપર. But you should know the time when you have to do practical. ક્યારે પણ. So you should know, if I want to change this, then I need to change this property. That is why I am going very slowly. સાવ હું ધીમે ધીમે જાઉં છું ગર્લ્સ, એકદમ જ ધીમે ધીમે. So on that, look, જો અહીંયા આની બોર્ડર આવી ને છે, બોર્ડર મેં ચેન્જ કરી. So I am going very slowly so that you will get time to be familiar with Visual Basic. So today we have learned how to save form and project in VB. I have created only one form and I have written 2 programs in the same form. Okay, but you have to just write it down, because right now you are not doing practical. Tomorrow I shall teach you how to add one more form to the same project. Yes, now onwards we shall not open new exe every day. We shall open this existing, એટલે જે આપણે આજે બનાવ્યું છે એની પ્રોજેક્ટ આપણે એવરી ડે ખોલશું. We shall open this project every day and we shall keep on adding new forms every day. દરેક નવા પ્રોગ્રામ માટે એક નવું ફોર્મ આપણે રોજ એડ કરતા જશું. Now this will be the way of working with VB. So today we have seen that how to print using print statement, how to change the font of form, as well as we have also prepared one more form by taking 4 label controls on the form, and we have used caption property, for color property, font property, back color property, and border style properties. Which property? Border style properties of label control. No doubt I shall repeat everything. જ્યારે લેબલ કંટ્રોલ ભણાવીશ વન બાય વન આખા કંટ્રોલ theoretically ભણાવીશ, at that time I shall make use of all the properties again. But right now, to prepare simple forms in VB, we should use label control, text box control, and command button control. So in tomorrow's lecture we shall try to include text box control and command button control to make a very good design of our form. Fine. I hope all of you are following my lectures and trying to understand whatever I am teaching in Visual Basic. Fine. So I think it is enough for today. Tomorrow we shall have one more online session with a very good motivational story. So hope to meet you tomorrow. Let us close VB, save this. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.